When you download a modern AI model, whether it's Flux2, Z-Image, or an LLM text model, you've definitely run into terms in the file names like FP16, BF16, FP8, or even Q8 and Q6. But what are these mysterious abbreviations and why do they dictate whether the AI can even run on your computer? The answer is simple. These letters and numbers show the mathematical precision used to store the AI's internal weights, essentially its knowledge. This size reduction process is what we call quantization. Imagine a carpenter needs to measure a wooden plank. FP32 is a measurement precise to the exact millimeter. It's incredibly accurate, but the data takes up a massive amount of space in his notebook, and calculating with it is slow. In the AI world, this is the gigantic original file size that almost no home graphics card can fit. This is where floating point formats come into play. FP16 is centimeter-level precision. It takes up half the space, it's much faster, and we lose absolutely nothing in terms of quality. BF16, or brain floating point, is virtually the same thing, but it handles the scale of numbers differently, which modern hardware and AI models absolutely love because it makes the whole operation way more stable. And FP8 is decimeter-level precision. Good old estimation by eye, which leads to massive memory savings. But what about the versions starting with a Q? While FP and BF formats work with decimals, the Q, which stands for quantized, versions convert the AI's weights into whole numbers and round them off aggressively. Yet their purpose is exactly the same: to drastically cut down the file size and your card's VRAM appetite. With a Q6 or Q4 model, we can take a monster file that was originally 20 gigabytes and shrink it down to barely 8 gigs. The internal math might no longer be precise to the millimeter, but in return, your generation will be lightning fast, and the model will easily squeeze into the memory of a cheaper graphics card, all while you won't even notice a difference in the final image with the naked eye. If you're working on home hardware, always prefer the BF16 or FP16 version. If these are too large, use FP8 or Q8 or Q6 if you really want to save memory. These offer the perfect balance between speed and quality. If you like this explanation, follow the channel for more useful AI info and tips.